We're going to get started right away with this faux cedar board. It's meant to look like cedar with that great texture on one side, and then the back side is just kind of that yucky chipboard. I'm just going to paint it white as the first step. And then you cover the sides too, of course, but for demonstration purposes, I'm going to move on to one that I pre-painted and is already dry. We're going to do a little wash. The paint I'm using is, again, just a craft paint. I'm going to put a little bit on my brush, and then I'm going to put a little bit of water on there to get it wet, and we're going to run it along the edges of here. So we want to give it kind of a rounded look, and we're going to darken the edges to do that. We're going to come in with just a rag, kind of wipe that off and blend it in. So I'm taking, again, just the paint, and again, the water, and we're going to make lines starting in the edge and coming across. You can also build up areas like imperfections. A lot of time birch trees have imperfections on the side. So I'm going to show you how we're lining these up to make a sign. Okay, so I made a bunch. Now the next step is to just screw this in. I have these boards running along the bottom. So let me just flip this over. So the drywall screws go in really nice without pre-drilling just because they're a coarse thread. You can see I also added a wire across to hang it. So now we're going to flip it over and I'm going to write my saying. So I'm just going to freehand this. So in order for you to read this, you kind of have to fill in a bit. Okay, now we are going to hang it up on the wall. Okay, so now we got it hung up on our nail in the wall. Now I made heart banners. I just cut out these adorable little hearts out of paper and hot glued them to jute rope. And I think these are going to be so cute. I made one in like a darker pink and one in a lighter pink to just kind of drape over. And then I'm going to show you guys the second option too. You could add like a big garland over it. And I think that also looks really festive and cute. I want to show you one I did before, and this one's definitely more Christmassy. It has the same birch look, but it's a little bit darker, and then I have this white wreath in the middle. It says joy. So you guys, if you love this project, don't forget to share it. And thank you so much for tuning in with me, Melissa from Welcome to the Woods on Hometalk tonight. We'll catch you next time.